Today we are talking about something really important, very serious, timely, but we're going to do it in a really fun way. Does that sound like a good plan? Okay, good. Before we can start a show about bullying, I need to find out from you guys, what's bullying? Who can tell me what bullying is? It usually has to do with a characteristic. You know what I mean when I say characteristic? Something about that person, their hair color, their skin color, race, religion, a special need. Something is causing the bullying, all right? All right, let's see if it works. I knew Ricky was a bully the moment I saw him punch the new kid in our class. Show me punch. Number one answer is punch or hit. Yes.
David Jack.
Oh,
whoa,
boy.
Hold the phone.
Oh, man.
What's going on here?
I am so sorry about that. I don't know how he got here. Everybody, this is my friend Cosmo. Everybody say, hey, Cosmo. How you doing, Cosmo? I'm trying to do. Cosmo, I'm doing. And she hits her friends, and she pushes her friends, and she teases her friends, and she leaves her friends out of games. Is she a bully? If she does all those things, I think she's a bully. So can a cute, adorable little girl with a stuffed animal be a bully? Yeah, it doesn't matter what a person looks like. It matters how they speak out. You win last time. Stand up. Come on. Stand in. Let me hear you. Speak out. You win. Find your seats. Give yourselves a round of applause. Nice job.